Looking for a watch built for life on the open seas? Want features like regatta timers, coastal maps, and advanced sailing tools all right on your wrist? Let's talk about the Garmin MARQ Captain Gen 2, a luxury modern tool watch designed for those who command the sails. With premium craftsmanship, rugged durability, and advanced nautical features, it's more than just a watch. It's your trusted companion from harbor to horizon. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the MARQ Captain Gen 2 with black jacquard weave nylon watch strap, navy silicone rubber watch strap and charging cable, documentation pamphlets. Want to grab the Garmin MARQ Captain Gen 2 from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Key features: crafted with grade 5 titanium and a ceramic regatta timer bezel, the MARQ Captain Gen 2 blends durability with elegance. Its 1.2-inch always-on AMOLED touchscreen and domed sapphire crystal deliver premium clarity, even under sunlight. Includes regatta timer, race start assistance, tack assist, and time to burn features, giving sailors precise timing for competitive starts. Designed specifically for professional and recreational sailing. Comes preloaded with marine charts, coastal maps, and topo-active maps. Also supports hazard alerts, port data, and tide information, making navigation at sea safer and more efficient. Uses multi-band GNSS combined with SAT-IQ technology to ensure pinpoint accuracy in challenging environments. Automatically optimizes GPS performance while saving battery life. Tracks heart rate, pulse ox, sleep quality, stress, respiration, and body battery. Offers training readiness, recovery insights, and animated workouts, making it useful both on deck and on land. Delivers up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, 6 days with always on, and 42 hours in GPS mode. Includes smart notifications, Garmin Pay, music storage, Wi-Fi, and apps via Connect IQ for seamless everyday use. Specifications: Charge your watch. To charge your Garmin MARQ Captain Gen 2, connect the included USB charging cable to the port on the back of the watch. Plug the other end into a USB power source like a wall adapter or computer. It takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge from 0% to 100%. How to connect. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Garmin MARQ Captain Gen 2 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Open the Garmin Connect app and create or sign in to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete setup and enter your information. Tap More, then select Garmin Devices, followed by Add Device. The app will start searching for your device. When it recognizes your watch, tap Connect It, enter the code shown on your watch, and tap Pair to connect with your watch successfully. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Garmin MARQ Captain Gen 2 has 5 physical buttons. Button operations. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Garmin MARQ Captain Generation 2. See you in the next one.